Hi guys, welcome to Kids Trivia. This month's theme is nature. All right, so I'm going to read you some trivia questions and you're going to do your best to answer them correctly. But make sure you submit your answers to scotttwplibrary at gmail.com. That's SCOTTTWP library at gmail.com. Now, they don't have to be right. Just, give it your best shot. Email your answers and you'll get a chance to win a gift card. All right, so here we go. Number one, bat-eared foxes eat all of the following, but which consists of up to 80% of their diet? Is it berries, reptiles, insects, or small birds? Question two, how many tornadoes occurred in the United States in April of 2011, setting a record for the most active tornado month in the country? Was it 125, 233, 577, or 758? Question three, which of the following animals is the wombat's closest relative? Is it the koala, the wallaby, the emu, or the kangaroo? Number four, what is the nickname for the fish otherwise known as the fathead sculpin? Is it a butterball, the cow of the sea, Mr. Blobby, or icky fish? Number five, which of these presidents doubled the acreage of the national park system? Was it Richard Nixon, Calvin Coolidge, Barack Obama, or Jimmy Carter? Number six, at what age can a reindeer first outrun a human? Is it 1 day old, 1 week old, 2 weeks old, or an hour? 1 hour old. Number seven, male honeybees or drones don't have which of the following? A stomach, antennae, stingers, or a sense of humor? All right, next question. What is a doe? Is it a female deer? Is it a male deer? Is it a baby deer? Or is it a John Deere tractor? Last question. What food do pandas eat?